Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Are you guys ready for a little, this is actually going to be a shorter one. I wanted to do a smaller magazine flip through just because I'm busy crocheting, trying to get stuff done. So I wanted to keep this one kind of short. So today I grabbed one of these little magazines. This is Quick and Easy Crochet, September, October of 1990. And it says, Fashion for Everyone, Autumnal Afghans. Fashion report from Ireland. Okay. Alright, so like I said, this is 1990. Let's just see what I can find in here. Some ads. Crochet, fashion, classic, and exotic. Look at these tops. I like the first one. This one. This one reminds me of something off of Aladdin. Says, we hope our classic pullovers and trimmed vests will help round out this season's wardrobe. Both the marine and cerise pullover and the robin blue and white pullover are made with Lion Brand Jiffy Basic. The trimmed vest is made with Red Heart Luster Sheen and J&P Coats Metallic Rickrack. Okay, so we've got pattern. It looks like this has a sewing pattern in it too. Oh boy. This may turn out to be a really quick one. This is all just pattern so far. I mean like words. And then no. That's a graph. Okay, here we go. Autumn fashion made the quick and easy way. And these are cute. Put together our quick and easy crochet design workshop and a bulky yarn like Lion Brand Jiffy Basic. And what have you got? Fashion in a snap with economy and great looks thrown in for good measure. That's what. Why spend a fortune in the department store on a winter hat when our instructions and Jiffy Basic yarn, you can wear a beauty like the snap brim winter hat for just a few dollars. Professional results are assured with our detailed instructions. Among the most chic of all fall fashion accessories are oversized shawls and wraps. The open work shawl is a terrific example of what can be done with crochet open work and a bulky yarn like Jiffy Basic. There's the hat. Now, it's interesting. Yeah, I think she's wearing that shawl. No, I'm sorry. The turtleneck and the sleeves don't go with the shawl. I think that's just a sweater, and then she's wearing the shawl over it. That's really pretty. And then on the cover, she has all three on. Even the color choice, I like that. Oh, and here's the sweater. Raglan sleeve turtleneck. This warm and fashionable pullover is worked raglan fashion in one piece so that when you're finished, there are no seams to sew. Made with Lion Brand Jiffy Basic. And then there's a scalloped patterned hood made with Patton's Diana from Susan Bates. This soft and cozy hood can be worn folded down as a scarf or pulled up as a hood. I really, really like that hood. But there is the turtleneck and that hood. I wonder what yarn would you compare the Jiffy Basic to today? Lion Brand Jiffy Basic. So in my mind, I'm instantly thinking of, it says bulky, but I'm assuming that's not a 5-weight. So I'm assuming it's probably a thicker size 4. And the first thing that pops into my mind is Pound of Love. That's what instantly pops into my mind. So I'm wondering if that's what that is. Or what would be a good comparison. But on the other side, we have a crochet habit. I can say this. I know this word because of Call the Midwife. Crochet haberdashery. Yes. Tweed turtleneck. Rugged and handsome describes this bulky pullover made with tweedy red heart maypole yarn. It's a cold weather garment that's sure to come in handy for the outdoor sports spectator in autumn and the ski enthusiast in winter. That is some really cute patterns. Like, I'm loving that turtleneck and the hood. It's very nice. Okay, so here we have, although we've made an effort to seek out garments, especially for the male sector in this portion of our issue, this versatile pullover could be worn by male or female. It's always difficult to please teenagers, but this dashing design should prove popular with even the fussiest of them. Test pattern pullover, an unusual design and the harmonious use of the colors of Coates & Clark Luster Sheen highlight this handsome pullover designed by Lynn Ship. I do not like this. I do not like it at all. And I don't know, you see the specks everywhere? I don't know if that's a defect in the picture, or it almost looks like if it's not a defect in the picture, like they took a spray bottle with bleach and just squirted it on top of it all. I'm almost guessing that's got to be a defect in the picture, or the printing of the picture. But anyway, I'm not a fan. Very pretty color work. I'm just not a fan. And then we have, by the way, did we mention that it's back to school time again? Although the new year is celebrated in January, September always feels like another new year when its atmosphere of renewed ambition and the crisp snap of the autumn air. Although we've styled the medallion blazer for a young man, it would look equally smart with a plaid or navy pleated skirt for a young girl, made with red heart baby yarn. That is adorable. Sorry, I saw that ad and I thought that was the yarn, the Jiffy Basic, but it's not. That's a mohair yarn. Okay, anyway. Woo! Look at her. Holy cannoli. Look at that top. Dang. Oh, that's the Ireland fashion that they were talking about. Look at that sweater. Okay, now we have notable Afghans. Whenever Sharon Valance, I don't know, sets out to crochet a new Afghan design, you can be sure that something unique and colorful is about to happen. The Irish chain Afghan, made with Red Heart Super Saver, is based on a traditional quilting pattern. Fine for country decor, the checkered Afghan is made with Red Heart Super Saver. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Even the colors are really pretty. And then here's that checkered. I love the red border to it. That reminds me of a 50s, let's see. My husband took me and my girls to a place in Tennessee it was on, why can I not think of the name of this lake? It's a lake that was formed by a volcano. Why can I not think of it? Anyway, there is a restaurant right down the street from the lake, and they had a floor like that, and it was all 50s theme. It was really cool, but that reminds me of it. Why can I? Everybody goes there to fish. It's real shallow. That is going to drive me nuts. As soon as I get in front of the camera, and I think a lot of other YouTubers can attest to this, you cannot remember your words, you can't remember the name of things, and it drives me insane. Anyway, we have some more Afghans, and man, these are pretty. Country Quilt Afghan is made with Lion Brand Jiffy Basic, Aran Look Afghan, and Spike Cluster Afghan are both made with patents Canadian from Susan Bates. What's the matter, Pooksy? My cat just came in here. Come here, Pooksy. Come here, kitty. She is an old girl. She's starting to lose her hearing, and we let her go outside, and she recently went outside before it got to, like, with the wind chill, negative 15 to 20-ish, and we hadn't seen her in a week, and she finally came home yesterday morning. But we call her Squeakers, and she's got little fangs. But we call her Squeakers because when she gets to purring real loud, it squeaks. I don't know if I can get her to do it or not. Hear it? She's a good old girl. Okay, so moving on, we have a circular symmetry, crochet at its very best. Oh, it's a doily. Oh, okay. That's cute. If you can still hear spooks. Alright, so we've got pattern, pattern, pattern. Oh my gosh, are these not the cutest things? Hug-a-bunnies? Look at these! It's an ad, like you have to write in and buy the pattern. But these are adorable. That's so cute. Oh, wow. I don't know if there will be a better picture for this, but I think this is the last pattern in here. Oh, you gotta buy it. Man, I bet I could just sit here and make that. If I just stare at the picture long enough and do a little test piece. I really, really like that. Of course, it's the pineapple stitch, and that's my favorite stitch pattern. Sorry, my favorite stitch pattern. But it's a scarf. Oh, no, it's a neck warmer, which I guess, is a scarf. Oh. Pattern includes the crocheted pineapple and knitted designs. No kidding, that's cute. But anyway, moving on. Let's see. I think the rest of this might be patterns, and then just, showing you how to work stitches. Abbreviations, the Afghan stitch, multiples of stitches, changing colors, how to decrease. And then we got the classifieds. Oh, here's some Afghan kits that you could buy. You could have bought, I guess. I don't know. I doubt they're still available. I wouldn't know where to go to even look. But they're super cute. This is Fisherman Star Afghan and Ice Cream Stripe Afghan. I think those are cute. But anyway, that is it for this episode. Like I said, I needed this one to be a little short because I've got a lot of work that I need to be working on. But yeah, I'm trying to think if there's anything I can tell you, but I don't think so. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Hit me, what? I don't know why I just said that. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss what's next. Leave me a comment. Let me know what was your favorite pattern in the little book. I think I'm going to have to stick with that turtleneck, the turtleneck thingy. I like that a lot. That is really cute. And with the hat with it, the cat hair stuck on my lip. Anyway, Drop that right in the trash can. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.